everyone, this is Amanda, and today I'm gonna teach you how to use our Power Video tool. Let's start. First of all, you need to put your product link here and click Analyze. So normally it might need to wait 30 seconds, so let me speed it up for you guys. Okay, so this is the result, and you can select some images you want to use and then click Confirm. So in here, you can modify the product name and the description. Meanwhile, if you have a clear idea of your product's target audience, you can also fill in here, or you can leave it if you're not sure. Click here, or you can also drag your files. Now select your footages. It will take some time to process, then let me speed it up again. There's one thing you should notice. If you're shooting with the camera vertically, make sure you rotate the footage before, or you will have a horizontal footage like this, then you can't use it. If you film by phone, then everything is okay. And I would suggest using original footage primarily, so I will delete all the images here. Next, let's change the video setting, including aspect ratio, length, and language. Here we have multiple languages to apply. Okay, so let's go with English and next. Wait a moment and let me speed it up. Okay, so in here you will have different types of scripts and you can choose one of your favorite. Let's choose this one and you can edit as well. And click the link below because it's really important in the shoppable video and save. In here, I prefer to choose the first one, start with AI. Okay, and wait a minute. Perfect, here's the video. Now you can customize your video. The first one is template. You can choose different template in here. Okay, so let's go with the default template, full screen this time. The second one is to select avatar. You can use your own avatar of you holding the product, which is really nice. But you will have a lot of avatar options, different genders, ages, identities, and all of them are free to use. Okay, so let me get back to choose our own avatar. Okay, and the last one is to choose your music. Let me choose this one or okay, this one. At this point, you may wonder what to do when some other footage can't be used in your final video. Then you need to do the quick edit. Here's the whole timeline of this video, and you can change your script in here. Also, you can change the transition. Let's choose this one. Okay, and also the layout. So now let me show you how to choose your perfect clips in your shoppable video. So let's choose replace media. As you can see that the system automatically cuts your video into short clips. So it is very simple to choose, but always preview to make sure that the clip is okay to use. Meanwhile, if you can pick the right footage based on the scripts, it will definitely increase your conversions. And then save. You can also choose to turn the subtitles on or off and render this video. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, you can select to download multiple videos at the same time. And let's download this video. Okay, so now let me show you the final video.
Feeling exhausted and sluggish, I struggled to keep up with daily tasks. Scrolling online, I discovered Nature Planet Organic Soursop Extract with multivitamin. Its organic ingredients and rich vitamins immediately caught my attention. Incorporating it into my routine, I felt energized and revitalized. Imagine a life full of energy and vitality. Why wait? Experience the power of soursop and transform your days. Click the link below.
Okay, so for the second part, let me show you how to create your own avatar. And get started. We recommend that you use your camera or phone and record a video over 30 seconds. There is no limit to the content of your words. You can either hold the product to speak or not to hold to apply to different products. Okay, so click here and upload. Choose your video and open. Here you can adjust the timeline and you can remove the beginning and the ending preps part to make sure the video is okay to use. Also, check to see whether your video meets these 4 requirements and remember to create a voice. Now, coming to the personal authorization, since the camera can be turned on while recording a screen, I used the previous video. You just need to follow the steps and read the text, and it's done. Okay. Perfect, so now it's done. You just need to wait some time for it to be made, and then you can use it in your own video. Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.